Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask.
Hey you guys, in today's video we're going to be doing this look. It was kind of difficult and I didn't like it at first, and then I finished it and I thought it was like the best look I've ever done so far, maybe. So it has potential. So yeah, leave me comments down below what you want to see next and what you want me to review, and yeah, let's just get right into this video. So first we're going to be going in with the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is shade Dark Drapes, and for my first impression and review, click the eye on the screen. And then to prep our lids, we're going to go in with the HD Lifting Concealer from e.l.f. This is actually like one of my favorite concealers. I just wish the shade range was so much better. And then we're going to blend it out with the Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge, which is really bouncy and it blends out things so well, and it's a good price point, so I really enjoy it. The palette today we're using is from Pique Rose. This is the Obsessed palette. We're using the shade Sisters, and we're going to pop that in the little pocket in the bridge of the nose / crease area. And I'm using a Luxie mini brush for this, one of the mini brushes from a trio. And this color actually went on pretty good. I'll get into detail about other colors in this palette, which is this one, 90s Love. It's so pigmented, so good, but once you go to blend it out, it goes to nothing. And like, I didn't set my base. It didn't, like, I don't know what to do about this because I really love this palette, but I just don't know how to get this color and the next color to stick well. It's the only two colors I really have a problem with. So if you have this palette and you make it work, please let me know. But I was getting very, very frustrated. And yeah, I'm still blending, still trying to get color on, still trying to make this work. And I actually used a different method on this side of the eye than the other one. The other one I used Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, but that dries down some. So I was like, let me use something like more wet. So that's what I did, and it still didn't work. And this shade was even more frustrating, one because it's not as deep as I wanted it to be, and two because it was so patchy. Like, I love these shadows, like they're really pretty. The other mattes are okay, but this shade in 90s Love was so bad, but I managed to make it work. I put it in my crease, I blended it out, put it in my crease, blended it out, put it in my crease, blended it out, and I kept going and I kept going, and I tried to make it work. But look how patchy that is, and look how frustrated I get. Like, look at my face, you guys. Like, it was just so bad. And then I took the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer and cut my crease, but I didn't do it like normal. I actually cut it like normal, like a normal human being would. Aren't you guys proud of me? But I believe my method is easier. If you haven't, look at my other cut crease videos to see. And then we taking Fresh and putting that right on the brow bone, which I love this color. It's the most prettiest highlight I've ever seen for a brow bone. And in the corner, I almost ran out of breath. I want to never mention, if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Caylah. If you're not new and you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back. I appreciate it. And then we're taking the most gorgeous gold yellow shimmer I've ever seen in my life. This is Stay Golden. I'm going to place it at the top of the cut crease. Just the top. No further, no less. The top of the cut crease. Then we're taking Damn Gina and we're putting that right up under that. But we're going to leave a little space for Lefty and Joker. Make sure you just leave that little space right there like I'm doing. And you good, you good, you good, you good. All these are probably with the wet brush, by the way. And if you're still watching, leave the rainbow emoji down below so I know you are ride or die. And then here go Lefty. This reminds me of my sister so much because she a lefty. We're gonna pop that right up under Damn Gina. You know, it's like a gradient. And then here go Joker. We're gonna pop that right up on whatever we have left. So that's what I did. That's what I'm gonna do, and that's how I did it. Sorry, I'm so silly. I'm just happy I'm off of work. I work 5 days in a row. I'm a little bit tired, sleepy, silly, so don't mind me. And to celebrate the fact that Urban Decay followed me on Twitter, they did not follow me on Twitter. They followed me on Instagram. I'm sorry, I got distracted. But they followed me on Instagram, so we're gonna just fill in a little bit of a wing with this liner and Viper. And then we're going to go in and outline that with Urban Decay Perversion eye pen, which is like my favorite right now. I'm just in an Urban Decay moment. I had an event with them. I got back on their PR list. I got followed by them. So it's like so exciting. And then we're going to go in with Rimmel Lip Art Graphic. This is a shade Hotspot and make 2 dots. I wouldn't suggest this really close to the eye, but I used it kind of far away so I wasn't too worried. Then we're going with this liner, which is a little bit of like, it's kind of weird. We're going to make 3 more dots on the eye, so that's what I did just for a little bit of, you know, weirdness. And then I'm going to take this Wonder Swipes by Rimmel and make a line right above the cut crease just for more details. Why not? Then we're going to use Tatcha Silk Canvas which like I just noticed how fragrance this is. Kind of irritated my nose when I used it this time, but I love this primer, so I'll just deal with it. And you guys, I wanted to be different and use a cushion compact foundation today. Look at the price. I hope you saw the price, $60 for this foundation. And guess what I did with it? I actually, hold on, I'll just wait. Look, I tried a different sponge too. I'm still trying to give a chance. Still trying. Still trying. Still trying. No. No, 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 no. So I wipe it off, and that's going somewhere else because it was so greasy. The smell was so bad. Like I just could not do it. So I didn't use that foundation today. So we're going to use this Lancome foundation. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Me and Marlena, and I believe her name is Maya. Maya's Makeup on Twitter was talking about this foundation, so I decided to use it. And I'm using a Wet n Wild beauty sponge, which I love so much. Blends out so effortlessly, and the price is not going to break your wallet. But yeah, I guess Maya loves this foundation, and I do too because it's so skin-like and it's full coverage. And Marlena was like, what foundation does she have on her skin? Because of the fact that that foundation is so good, her skin was so flawless. I just love this foundation, so I was like telling Marlena like it's the bomb. But we're gonna go in with the concealers that we were using before. This is light and medium. I'm just gonna use the darker one to like kind of correct my dark spots, and then use the lighter one to brighten. And I really like this foundation. It's very full coverage, it's not drying. I don't like drying concealers because my under eyes are so dry and I have dry spots, so I like a more hydrating full coverage concealer. You guys, I want ice cream really bad from Twisty Treat. Do you have Twisty Treat in your area? Let me know, because I love their chocolate dipped in chocolate cone and I'm craving it right now, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go get it, but it's raining really bad outside. It's in Florida, so it's like, you know, the rainy season, so I'm like having like a fight in my head about this. And then we're going to use my favorite setting powder. If you haven't tried this, please do. It's at Walmart. It is actually $6.47, not $6, $47. And then we're going to go in with the Makeup Geek Tawny Bronzer and Bronze. This looks a little patchy, but I believe it's the brush, so don't mind that. This bronzer is usually not patchy at all. It's like my favorite bronzer. And then we're going to be using Benefit Rockateur on our cheeks. And then this stuff smells so good. Like, I want a perfume like this. Benefit, please give me a perfume. By the way, they shared me today, guys. They shared my eye picture and my eyebrow on their Instagram. This is the second time I've been shared on Benefit's Instagram. So I'm excited. And then we're going to be using something I forgot about. This is Everglow from Naked Tutorials, and I'm really excited to use it. I'm using the Sigma F06 brush, and you can get this for 10% off using the code BAKEWITHK10. And I like went ham with this highlighter. Like, I put it everywhere. I even put it on my Cupid's bow. When do I ever highlight my Cupid's bow? Never. And then we're going to go in with the shade Pigment. And like I said, like, mattes in this palette can be so beautiful. Like, look at this color. I like barely had to put anything on for it to show up. And it's so beautiful. And it blended out so good, so seamlessly. I'm sure this doesn't surprise you. We're going to put ColourPop Punch in my waterline, and I love how Pigment turned it like a bright orange color. Guys, Bad Gal Bang is now in blue, and I'm so excited, and it's so pretty, and it works just like, yeah, that. And they also have Bad Gal Bang liners. So I'm like, my mind's just like gone at the moment. I just got really tired. But yeah, it works just like the black one, and it's just like really blue, and it's so pretty. Someone contacted me on Instagram and we became good friends, so she sent me some of her lashes. So you can use code McKaylah for 20% off. And then we're going to go in with one of my old favorites. This is Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Flirt. It's like the perfect brown, and we're going to pop that on our lips and be so happy about it. I was so happy to wear this again. Like, I need to pull this out a lot more. And that, you guys, is the finished look. I'm really enjoying this look. I love this look. Everything about this look is amazing. And I hope you subscribe at the button down below so we can be friends. And thank you for coming to watch my video. See you in the next one.
This game get fun. Top of the job. That's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Big fun. Percocet.